Hi guys, what's up? In this video, I will teach you how to reset your e-travel password. Mag-English lang tayo guys kasi hindi lang naman Pilipino ang gumagamit ng e-travel. Are you traveling back to Philippines or lalabas ka ba ng Pilipinas? You need an e-travel arrival QR code if you're arriving to Philippines at e-travel departure QR code naman kapag lalabas kayo ng Pilipinas. But suddenly, you cannot log in, you forgot what is your password. It's easy to reset or create a new one. Go online and visit etravel.gov.ph. You need to create your new unique password. Let's click Forgot Password. Use your existing email and let's just reset your password. It's required to have 12 characters long, a big letter and small letter inside, a number, and special character, meaning you can use at, dash, hyphen, period, comma, and so on. I can give you an advice. Maybe you can use your name and your passport number, or your name and your birthday. So it's up to you, as long as this unique password is easy for you to remember, so you won't reset or forget this again. Repeat your new password. Just confirm, make sure it's the same password. And then go back to your email, check your inbox. There is a 6-digit OTP from eTravel. We need to copy that and paste it back here. Now, if you cannot find that eTravel, sometimes it needs 3 minutes, sometimes it's delayed, or maybe it went to your spam folder, so just check it out. If you did not receive any OTP, you can click resend. We cannot proceed without this OTP. But anyway, let's use the OTP that I have in my email and then press submit. You can go back again to the login page of eTravel and then use your new password. And then that's it. You can now log in back and submit your eTravel QR code. If you have any question, just comment down below or you can message me in Facebook. It's troublesome actually to create a new account if you forgot your password, because you need to enter again your profile, your passport details, and you need another valid email. I hope this have helped you. Once again, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.